22nd, July 2003.
You mean after she spent almost a year without paying you for the computer, you gave her another $100?
Si main character.
In any event, you built her a computer all the time. Is that true?
Very good. You know how to eat it on your own.
Well, pretty much.
Very good.
Killing them at the club
The
tonight.
first
Your
time.
Honor, if I could, I'd like
So
to have
you're
a
already old. You know how to eat alone.
Fingernail in the door.
Ay, bilisan mo, finish na yan.
Oh, they're gonna sue me and
Maybe next time you will climb to the
came to my house unannounced. I didn't get no message.
lababo, labatwire.
I finally was woken up by pounding on the door. I need my money. I need my money. I need my money. You need to wake up now. Woke me up. Anyway,
Finish mo yan.
Siguro pag nagutom ka na sa sunod, manunungkal ka na ng kaldero, ano?
She sat down. I thought she was settled in the car. She put her hand up like this, and I shut.
Next time, if you're hungry, you will open the
she did shut
the kettle there, the fan.
Kinain naman niya kahit hindi ano.
Somehow
Ayun.
Parang hindi
Walang,
tinig mo.
kanina kasi puro kinakain niya lang yung itlog.
fingernail in some sense.
Nagutom niya.
Marami yan eh. No, kunti na lang eh.
Gutom ka, Kiki.
Nagutom niya.
Dagdagan kaya yan, mama. Ng
Hindi, tama na yan. Marami na yan. Marami yan eh.
Parang kakaumay naman yung puro lugaw.
Tell me about the run.
Gusto nga niya, hindi naman siya pwede sa kanin.
Tagal siya kumain ng kanin.
What
Pag
happened?
matututo na rin niya kumain ng kanin, din,
No, I told
pag marunong na talaga siya mag-isa magsumong, hindi na yung kakain ng sarap.
Yeah! First time for Kiki to eat alone.
that I would pay her.
Okay!
Yeah, clap, clap. Very nice. Very good.
Now she was getting back in the
Another
car.
wife!
She sat down. I thought she was settled in the car. She put her hand up like
Ay,
this.
mali
And I
yan.
shut the door.
No, that's wrong.
No, was in the door.
Okay.
She
Do
did
it
shut the door
properly.
on the-
Use that
the,
spoon
finger.
properly.
Obviously, it somehow busted her nail or
When was it that you contracted her to Rox Brady? You are
Finish your food.
statement to me.
Is that true? Were you prejudiced?
I feel like if he
I feel like I fell.
Tayo ng service natin dito sa may Providence, malapit sa Puting Bato. Patulog dahil sa kamot ng pusa. Dito kami sa Tiburo Doctors. Pinapaturokan ang aking apo dahil sa nakamot ng pusa. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras sila matapos. Gagabihin na naman kami dito. What happened to you?
I feel like
It hurts?
Does it hurt?
Does it hurt you?
Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt? Sige, you show it to tatay.
Show it
Where?
to the video.
No. Where does it hurt? Where's the injection?
Where's the
Where's the injection?
You show it, you show it.
Oh.
painful? Painful? nagpakarga yan?
Hindi.
Ha? Ayaw umuwi?
Ayaw niya tigilan yung balon. Ay, balon. Dapat na lang tayo kay...
Tayo na.
Stop! Oh, Tatay! Tatay! What's with sleepers?
Ah. Okay. Remove your slipper. Do it by your own. Come on. Okay. Oh. The other one. Remove the other one. Oh, you know naman pala eh. How to remove it. Okay. What happened to you?
I really want to be...
It hurts?
Does it hurt?
Does it hurt you?
Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt? Sige, you show it to tatay.
Show it
Where?
on the video.
No. Where does it hurt? Where's the injection?
First.